We carried out some fairly extensive soil investigation works here prior to construction starting, and it identified a few solution features within the subsoil, and we had to eventually take that much further and do a lot more extensive research, and established in the end that we had to pile the job to make it each of the houses adequate for the NHBC requirements. And at that point we decided to opt for the Abbey Pynford system. One of the main benefits for us with the Abbey Pynford system is that it's a turnkey service, so they will work from our soil investigation and ground report to design the foundations, install them, and just leave us with a level deck ready to start the superstructure from. Not that it was a problem on this site, but on a couple of the sites we've had in the past where we've taken down old buildings and put new ones up. You do get the occasional obstruction in the ground where a pile will strike it. Now with a traditional system that can be a bit problematic, but the Abbey Pynford system is fairly flexible on the location of the piles, provided the design department's notified of it. So we're able to move on fairly quickly with the least amount of downtime for the rig. So that's quite important for us on some of our other projects. The beauty of the system really is that we are able to do the complete piling, or they do the complete piling for us, and then follow it up with the house deck floor. So it gives us a complete substructure package. This isn't the first time we've used house deck. We've used house deck system for probably 5 years now on various projects, be it single detached houses or groups of houses on developments. So it's a path we've trodden before and will continue to use. The main benefits for the system for Octagon were simply that the whole design aspect of it is taken care of. The process is painless for us. The piling is put in place, it's done very quickly. With a normal piling system, on the shape of our houses aren't boxes, so there's lots of different shapes to them, and the system is very flexible for that, so you haven't got huge numbers of ground beams running around underneath the house. And it just makes for a very, very efficient floor. For us, with these type of houses that are selling for between £3 and £4 million each, the quicker you can turn your money over, the quicker you can get the house finished and sell it, the better. So the Abbey Pynford system, compared with conventional piling, we always feel that it beats it by about 4 weeks per plot. So it's a good system for us. The whole purpose and the ethos of Octagon is that we only put the best materials into our houses, and it's very important for us that we're happy and satisfied with the design of the foundations and the piling. Our customers are quite discerning, as indeed are any customers who buy a new house, but when you're at the top end of the market, which Octagon undoubtedly are, and people are paying in excess of £4 million for a house, the last thing you want is any perceived problem with foundations. And so that's the reason we probably err on the side of caution and have quite a few of our houses piled. I suppose if I was to sum it up, it would be efficient, quick, clean, and is the next best solution for us as opposed to strip foundations. The job's proceeding very well. We're on our last slab now of the 16 houses. The last one's being cast at the moment. The project was phased, so it meant Abbey Pynford doing a few houses and going away and coming back and doing a few more, but that's worked quite well, and all done in accordance with our programme. So yeah, we're pleased.